Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, or yung sa aking page, doon kayo pwede mag-inquire. Madam, space P as in princess, and then space sa dulo para mas madali mo siyang ma-search sa Facebook. And then, ang aming email ad, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Diyan ka pwede mag-inquire para kung paano magpabook ng personal reading. Again, this is for fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Kahit sinasabi kong ikaw pwedeng person mo, pwedeng ikaw, bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Any comments will do, basta positive. Kahit po tuldok lang, heart, 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 smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Bottom of the deck, 8 of Pentacles. Meron na ditong Knight of Cups, 7 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles. Fire sign. Nakakita tayo ng mga offers sa'yo na pwede magbigay ng growth pagdating sa usaping pinansyal. 7 of Wands. Pero be sure na enough yung knowledge mo, skills mo bago mo to pasukin. Okay? Huwag kang basta-basta a-accept ng isang offer na alam mo hindi mo pa alam or hindi mo talaga linyahan yung bagay na yun. For example, alam mo naman sa sarili mo hindi mo to gusto or hindi ito mag-workout para sa'yo kasi hindi naman ito yung talent mo, etc. Or ito masyadong bago sa pandinig ko, oo may pera pero parang hindi ako sure kung kaya kong gampanan. So if you're not 100% sure, you have to listen first kung ano yung offer. Kasi may growth doon with regards to money if kung may enough knowledge ka, may enough skills ka para gampanan yung mga gagawain doon. Pero kung alam mo namang hindi mo kayang gampanan, hindi mo kayang mag-commit, and you just want to try, pero hindi mo pa talaga sure kung talagang kaya mo, makinig ka muna sa kung ano yung offer or sasabihin ng mga taong ito sa'yo. Like, that is the advice for you. Yeah, it has something to do with your career. Lalo na if kailangan mo mag-take ng risk or i-end yung isang career para i-accept yung another career for you. Tapos hindi ka pa 100% sure kung kaya mo bang ibigay yung best or kung kaya mo bang gampanan yung career na yun. Ayan, some of you kasi may mga kailangan i-sacrifice. Yun nga, could be another career, but I highly suggest na pakinggan mo muna. Tignan mo munang mabuti. Huwag basta accept ng accept or arangkada ng arangkada nang hindi ka pa sigurado. Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Okay, person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love. Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups, and the 5 of Pentacles. Some of you, you could be dealing with two people or may person tayo nakikita na parang pwede may connection kayo pagdating sa social media or I can see communication. Pero may pagka-cut off na nangyayari dito. So, kung sino man itong kakonect mo sa social media or kakonect mo through email, online, ganyan, nakakita tayo ng pagka-cut off, pag-alis or pagtapos ng connection. Or pwedeng dati pa itong connection na to. Tapos, pwedeng itong person na to naka-move on na ngayon kasi parang feeling niya hindi naman mag-workout yung sa inyo or there's a lot of reason para umalis na lang at wag nang mag-beg or wag nang maghabol or wag nang ipilit pa ang connection na ito. I can see another person here with the Queen of Cups, pero alamin natin yung mga emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Queen of Wands, the Two of Wands. Justice card, this is Libra energy. What's with the Queen of Swords? Four of Cups, the Empress. What's with the Queen of Cups? Hindi ko to kukunin, masyadong marami. The World. What's with the World? Five of Cups. What's with the Five of Pentacles? The Fool and the Six of Swords. Okay. I'm seeing a person who is willing mag-take ng risk sa'yo, pero pwedeng dahil sa ending na nangyayari sa inyo, ito person that is moving on, so pwedeng nag-end na or nag-end na yung connection talaga ninyo with the Ten of Swords and that card. This could be a person who is younger than you, pwedeng may connection kayo regarding a child, pero nandun yung pagdidesisyon na parang hindi natin, I feel like there's a pagdidesisyon regarding cutting off the connection or pagtatapos na lang. I feel like yung emotion mo ngayon, you're being realistic. Sa reality ka lang nakatingin. And with the Two of Wands, if ever there's choices, dito, yung emotion mo sa ngayon is that hindi na importante, parang ganon. For you, hindi na importante kung ano yung nararamdaman ko. Kung ano yung tingin ko tama, yun yung gagawin ko. That's your energy. And it's like kung anong i-advise mo sa sarili mo, yun lang din yung ginagawa mo, no? Kung halimbawa, ibang tao yung nakakaranas ng sitwasyon mo ngayon, pwedeng alam mo na kung ano i-advise mo sa kanya, and yun din naman yung ginagawa mo ngayon. Emotion of person na to, I feel like this person is, I'm seeing a person na mataas ang ego. So, I feel like feeling niya nabigay or nagawa naman niya yung mga dapat niyang gawin. So, this person is focusing sa self-love or pag-focus sa sarili niya. The other person na nakikita natin dito is the Five of Cups. Nalulungkot siya with the World. I feel like nalulungkot siya kasi may kinalaman dito sa something na malayo sa kanya ngayon. Could be family. Tell me about the World. What's with the World? Two of Cups and the Knight of Wands. If you are in a relationship dito sa person na to, namamblema siya or nasasaktan siya dito sa relasyon ninyo kasi para lumalayo or malayo ang loob mo sa kanya or hindi ka masyadong nagiging open sa kanya. And maybe yung priority mo kasi is career with the Justice card. So parang feeling niya ang laki ng pinagbago mo or pagbabago mo or yung kung may relasyon kayo, this person don't feel loved by you. Hindi niya nararamdaman na mahal mo siya ng ganon. The Fool and the Six of Swords. Yeah, the person na willing mag-take ng risk sa'yo is nakita natin moving on. Kung may karelasyon ka, nakikita na talaga natin yung karelasyon mo na parang nasasaktan siya kasi ang dami niya, this person is overthinking. Pwedeng may mga na-experience siya sa'yo na naging dahilan para talaga mag-overthink siya. Tapos nasasaktan siya. Nalulungkot siya. This in the near future, you do have the Judgment. The Lovers. The High Priestess nagpakita rin. Ten of Wands. The Star. In the near future, daming card, pero naramdaman ko na ito ay message for you. Ace of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Death card, Two of Swords, Page of Cups, and then Seven of Cups. In the near future with the Judgment, I can see awakening sa side mo. Pagdating sa relationship, pagdating sa spiritual connection. Ten of Wands, I feel like may mga bagay kasi na mahirap i-deny sa sarili na I can see you na pwedeng ma-realize mo or malaman mo kung ano talagang gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo or ano talagang gusto mo pagdating sa love. And nandun yung something to do with the past, awakening na may kinalaman sa past. Nandun yung paghahangad na makapag-move or makapag-transfer, makapaglipat ng bahay in the near future. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng malaman mo in the near future kung sino talaga yung best match for you. Yung pinaka the best na compatible for you, you would realize that, you will realize that. So, pwedeng in the past, hindi mo yun na-realize eh. Ace of Swords and the Six of Pentacles. Seven of Cups. This person is full of worries, pag-aalala. The Death card and the Page of Cups. I can see new beginning when it comes to a child. Big transformation. May mga desisyon na kailangan gawin na may kinalaman sa children or a child. Especially if you do have child already. Pero kung wala pa naman, this could be a child of your person kung siya yung may anak. Or could be child in your family. Nakakita tayo ng malaking desisyon na gagawin regarding regarding a child or children in the family. Okay. This person in the near future, nakakita tayo na nakafocus siya sa mga hopes and wishes. Dito. Definitely a past person is focusing sa kanyang sarili. And, yeah. What is the advice here? The Three of Wands. What's with the Three of Wands? The Chariot. Yung iba sa inyo, if you need or you feel the need to travel, gawin mo yon. Sometimes yung pagta-travel, mas magkakaroon ka ng clarity or yung experience mo regarding to sa pagta-travel na yan can give you a lot of, ideas, support, and pwedeng maging maganda naman ang kalalabasan nito for you. Yung iba, if you feel the need to go home or kasi Hermit is his home. Yung iba kung gusto mong mag-uwi or nakaamoy nga pala ako ng pabango, this could be your reading. Kung gusto mong umuwi, do that. Gawin mo yan. Yung iba kailangan mag-travel to para magkaroon ng clarity or malaman mo talaga kung ano dapat mong gawin. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.